Hello guys, welcome to the Design Tech Center YouTube channel. In this video I will be telling you about the paints option and how to manage the paints and how to apply the paints into a Revit model. So let's continue. So now let's see how to apply the paint on these extrusion elements. So you cannot directly apply the paint on this elements. As you can see, if I select this and if I click on this elements, it will not apply any color. So how to apply the color on this element is, first you have to select this element and then you have to go to edit in place. After clicking on edit in place, you have to go to the paint option over here. So after this you can apply the paint. So now you can apply the paint here and just rotate this and you can apply the paint over here. Next, here and at the bottom, as you can see, this is okay. Now you can click on finish model. After this, now same for this also, click on this, select this, edit in place, then next paint and just paint it. So similarly for all these elements here, finish in model. Similarly you can edit all these models. You can just click on this and edit in place, and then you can go to the paint option here and select the paint. You can click on this, then the whole thing is been painted here. Similarly you have to fill every side here. Now finish model and again select this, edit in place. I am just showing a rough work here. You can make it even more beautiful with your ideas and selection of paints. And so similarly paint this all. And finish model here. The model has been finished. Next, one more thing is this paint here. You can select this paint and paint this. Okay, now it's fine. So let's see how it looks if we select this texture instead of this portion, just check. So I would like to keep this masonry only because this is some kind of brown color, and here it is also brown, so it will be a nice match. So again, you have some portion left here, you can paint this, and here as well, so it's fine. Now one more thing is left is our entry gate. So select this is also extrusion part, so you have to go to edit in place and then go to the paint and select this. I have selected this, and you can paint this. So it's enough here, and finish model. Okay, now this is over, and this portion is left. So this plinth portion is left, so I am going to paint it with this masonry here. It's quite attractive. So now it's fine. So you can apply any kind of paints and any kind of textures you want. There will be n number of options and n number of materials available in the manage materials option here. So you can go to this option and select and make a list of your materials, and you can apply here. So I hope all of you have understood this. So we will be updating the next videos soon. Thank you.